Your car's security is only as good as its weakest link. If that crucial anti-theft siren fails, you might as well leave the doors unlocked. Today, we're looking at a component that brings back that essential peace of mind for CTS 2014 owners: the GM Original Equipment Anti-Theft Alarm Siren. This isn't some cheap aftermarket knockoff you hope will work. The key feature here is GM Original Equipment. While the specific brand listed is Part Synergy, the pedigree comes straight from AC Delco Products, a global manufacturer backed by over 100 years of experience. When you're dealing with critical security and electrical systems, that heritage matters immensely. It means you are getting a premium replacement part designed to deliver trouble-free, consistent performance right out of the box. This unit is specifically engineered for the 2014 CTS, ensuring a perfect, vehicle-specific fit. You don't have to worry about modifications or compatibility issues. It's a small piece, weighing in at just 0.48 pounds, but its function is absolutely massive. Think about what an alarm siren goes through. It sits exposed, dealing with temperature swings, road grime, and constant vibrations, only to be called upon instantly when needed. The manufacturer promises ultimate durability, achieved through high-quality materials and expert care during creation. This isn't just a car part. The company also supplies equipment for off-road, industrial, and even marine applications, which tells you something about the robust construction standards they maintain. This level of engineering translates directly into reliability when you need that loud, piercing warning the most. If you drive a 2014 CTS and your factory alarm has gone silent, or if you're just looking for a preventative replacement to maintain factory standards, sticking with this GM Original Equipment option is the smart move. It guarantees the right fit, the right sound, and the right level of security. It's the definition of a trustworthy, top-quality product that simply does its job, giving you back your peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.